Hi everyone, my name is Rahul. Recently, I have attended Laracon 2026 in Ahmedabad, India, where I got an opportunity to interact with the founder of Laravel, Mr. Taylor Otwell. We mainly discuss about e-commerce platform built on Laravel like Begisto and how Begisto helped their customer to build the online store. Let's jump into the conversation with Otwell.
So today we have a special guest. So he's the founder of Laravel itself, Mr. Taylor Otwell. So hi Taylor, how are you?
Good. Glad to be here.
So how's your past few days in India?
Oh, it's always been crazy, but it's been a lot of fun. It's been good to hear the talks. Good to share about the AI SDK. Good to meet a lot of people.
Right. We saw your talk.
Yeah.
AI SDK as well.
Yeah.
So we being a webkul company, so we are trying to build an ecosystem on top of Laravel itself. So recently we launched couple of other open source platforms like Unopim and other softwares. Okay, and we are getting huge response from our customers. How do you want to see e-commerce kind of platform like Begisto in the near future in next 5 years or 10 years?
Yeah, I think that building e-commerce stuff on top of Laravel is very exciting. It's something I've never tried to do myself. I don't really know how to build e-commerce platforms. So I'm glad that, people like you are working on these things. I think e-commerce is such a huge thing and there's so many different ways to do it. And it's great to have great solutions built on Laravel. So people don't have to go to other ecosystems.
Exactly. So apart from the e-commerce, there are couple of other things that we are trying to build. So there are a couple of our customers who are also having the scalable solution. They want to have some scalable SaaS software and multi vendor features. So what kind of features of Laravel or the base ecosystem base features that they can leverage in terms of the scalability?
Yeah, we at Laravel have scaled Laravel really far. Like as just said on Nightwatch, we have billions and billions of records. I think, there's a lot of just basic things to help your scalability, like database indexes, right? Or choosing how you structure, how you put data in the database. A lot of the bottlenecks I see on Laravel is really more about the database than about PHP. PHP is very easy to scale. You can always add more servers. But your database, it can be hard to scale if you don't set it up correctly and the indexes aren't tuned right. So focus on the database, I think, is the most important part. And if you do that right, the app will usually be pretty fast.
Right. So there are couple of college students and newcomers who actually want to start their career. So if they want to start their career with Laravel kind of products or Laravel as a base, how can they start their career just from the first month or first day?
So, I would do a couple of things. I would read the documentation. I would just read all of the documentation. I think that's super important. And then pick a starter kit. It could be Livewire or Vue or React. Use Cursor or Claude Code, and you can just ask the AI questions about, ask it to do things if you want to build it to do app, for your first app. Ask it to help you get started. Look at what it does. Try to learn the code that way. It's basically how we used to learn to program a long time ago, right? It's looking at examples and copying and pasting, but it's really about the same with AI. So pick a starter kit, try to build something small just for yourself. And then everything you build, the next thing, is maybe a little bit more complex. And then eventually you're building really complex applications.
All right. Thank you so much for being here at our booth. And it's really pleasure to meet with you. I'm very happy. Thank you so much.